In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to recover deleted files in Google Drive. So, if you've deleted a file in Google Drive, and now you've changed your mind and decided you want that file back, as long as you deleted that file less than 30 days ago, and you haven't emptied the trash folder in Google Drive since you deleted that file, you will actually be able to get your file back quite easily, because it will still be in the trash folder. So, in this video, that's what Timmy's going to show you how to do. Unfortunately, if you deleted the file more than 30 days ago, or you emptied the trash folder after you deleted it, there'll actually be no way of getting your file back because the file will no longer exist. So, sorry about that. But as long as you deleted the file within 30 days and you haven't emptied the trash, all you need to do is in Google Drive here, just click on Trash here, and now you'll see all the files that you deleted in the past 30 days. And there may be quite a lot of them if you've deleted a lot of files recently, so you might have to scroll down a bit and sort of hunt for your file that you've deleted. But once you find the file, if you wanted to restore this PDF here, so you wanted to get this PDF back, you would just need to single click on it. So don't double click on it because that would just open it. Just single click on it to highlight it like this. And then click this restore button here. Now it's a bit dangerous because the delete permanently button is right next to the restore button. So make sure you click on the right one here. But just click on restore. And now the PDF will be restored. And you'll see this message here. And you can click on, you could click on show file location if you're fast enough. And it would take you back to where the file is and show you that it's now restored. So Timmy will restore this Google Doc instead. So Timmy will click on it to select it. And then just click on the restore button. And now in the message that appears here, click on file location. And now it's brought Timmy back to my drive because that's where the file was deleted from. But if your file was deleted from a different folder, it will take you to that folder. And it's highlighted the Google Doc and it's brought Timmy down to it here. So now your Google Doc is back in Google Drive and you have it again. So now even once it's been more than 30 days since you deleted it, you'll still have it. And it's just like any normal file back in your Google Drive. And you can even do it with multiple files at a time if you want. You just go back to your trash and you click on the top file you want to restore and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click on the bottom file and that will select all these files that were deleted. And now you can click restore for all of them. And now you've restored all those files. So if you go back to Google Drive, you'll find all those files are back in here. So that's all there is to recovering deleted files on the Google Drive website on your computer. But if you want to recover a deleted file from the Google Drive app on a phone or tablet, the process is actually really similar. When you're in Google Drive here and you're looking at your files, you'll just need to tap on the menu button here, and then in this menu tap on trash, and now just like on the website you'll see all your deleted files that you've deleted in the last 30 days. And if you want to recover one, so if you wanted to recover this Google Doc here, you just need to tap on the three dots that's in that sort of corner below it. So tap the three dots, and then in this menu at the bottom of the screen tap restore. And now the file is restored. So now if you tap the back arrow to go back to all your files, the file you just restored will be somewhere in this list, just like on the Google Drive website. And if you want to restore multiple files at once, you would just need to go back into the trash and then hold down on one of the files that you want to restore for about a second until you feel a slight buzz from your phone. And now you'll see that one is selected. And now you can just tap on all the other files you want to restore. So you could tap on all of them if you wanted to restore all of them, or you could just tap on a few if you didn't want to restore this one, or something like that. And then just tap on the three dots here and tap restore. And now those files are restored as well. So that's really cool. And that's how you can recover deleted files from Google Drive on your computer or on your phone. But if you want to see how to delete files from Google Drive, you'll learn how to do that in this video right here.